Welcome back to DIY RV and Home. Today it's Cooking with Greg. We're going to be making a meat sauce in the Instant Pot. So without further ado, let's jump on in. Let's get this thing cooking. First thing we got to do is we got to get our vegetables chopped up and ready to get sauteed. So I'm doing a couple stalks of celery, a couple carrots, a couple onions. Once I've got those all cut up, I'm going to go ahead and get my Instant Pot set to saute. Get some olive oil in there, let it warm up a little bit, throw my vegetables in and start sauteing those vegetables. So once you've got your vegetables sauteed down, you're going to go ahead and add meat. I'm using 2 pounds of hamburger. Get that in there, going to start browning it. Also, I'm going to add some sausage. Now, I didn't have any Italian sausage, so I just used some Jimmy Dean. So once we get meat browned up, ready to go. Now, this was fairly lean meat, so there really was no fat in the pan. If there was, you might want to drain it off, but I'm going ahead and I'm adding some diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and some water, giving that a little bit of a stir. And once I get that stirred up, I'm going to go ahead and add my spices. That's Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and that's to your taste. There is no correct amount. And give that a good stir. Now I kind of looked at this and I said, I don't have enough tomato paste, so 2. I'm adding the second one in there and give it another stir. So once I got it stirred up, I grabbed some couple bay leaves, put in there, and I'd also realized that I forgot one of the staples to Italian food, garlic. So I grabbed me a big couple tablespoons full of garlic and threw in there. Yes. I kind of like to cook with garlic and season with food. That's my preference. So give that a stir. Yes, the aroma. Boy, if you got that smell-o-vision going, turn it on right now. If you don't, jump online, find that drivers, get that on your computer. Oh, you got to get that. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and get this set to pressure cook. And I'm going to go ahead and set this one to 45 minutes. And after that 45 minutes, I checked it and I decided I wanted to let it go another 45 minutes. You can't let this cook too long. The longer it is, the more the flavors are going to combine and the richness of this meat sauce is going to come out. So, see you in 45 is what I'm saying there. Well, with the meat sauce in the Instant Pot cooking away, I went ahead and also made some gnocchi up. If you didn't see that video, I'll drop a link right up top for you so you can check that one out. But right now I'm getting that gnocchi cooked to an al dente state, letting the water get to a boil, letting the gnocchi rise to the top. Let it go for about a minute, then I'm going to strain them off into the colander because I want to finish cooking them in my meat sauce that I made. Gnocchi is prepped. Meat sauce is done. Now it's time to bring them together, make them one. I'm going to grab me a couple big old ladlefuls of meat sauce. I'm going to throw it into the saucepan, re-warm up that meat sauce. So just as the meat starts to re-simmer again, I'm going to grab my gnocchi and throw it into the pan so I can finish cooking it. So once everything's warmed up, gnocchi's finished cooking, go ahead and plate it up and enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please share, subscribe, and like. If you want to see more of these videos, please make a comment down below. With that, I'll see you on the next video.